How would an extra $200 per day make your life easier online? The reality is, you can easily make your $200 per day with a little bit of work. $200 per day to most people means a lot, and it probably does to you too. It certainly meant a lot to me at the time when I started seeing regular $150 to $200 commissions being paid into my PayPal account. You could quite easily make a lot more than $200 per day, and once you see how this model works, you will realize just how much higher you can take things. One of the biggest challenges that I also faced when I came to the internet to generate an income was my family and friends' thoughts. I was the weird guy who spent far too much time in his room in front of his computer. When you're not succeeding or making any money, it's even harder to keep going, especially when you feel family and friends are laughing at you behind your back. You are often told that you should just stop wasting your time with all this make money online stuff and go back to a normal job. It's a horrible feeling, isn't it? You're busting your backside but have nothing to show for it. That used to make you mad and sick, and I know that feeling well. How much would it mean to you if you started succeeding and started making some money so that you didn't feel like you were wasting your time anymore online? And that you would have gained a little respect from your family and friends, proving that you are actually succeeding? A lot, right? How much easier would your life be if you were pulling in just $3,000 to $6,000 per month online? You just need to arm yourself with the information which I give you and start using it from today and cash in. I've leave a link right below this video. Make sure you check it out. And if you're wondering if this is just some rehashed information, then think again. This is unlike anything you have ever seen before.